In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from your Lloyds Bank account to another account. First, open the Lloyds Bank app on your mobile device and log in using your secure credentials. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so the app can load smoothly and all your banking information is displayed correctly. Once you're logged in, look at the bottom of the app and select the Pay and Transfer option. This will take you to a menu where you can manage all your payments and transfers. Next, tap on Account Transfer From to choose which account you want the money to come from, especially if you have multiple accounts linked to your Lloyds profile. If you're transferring money to a new recipient, tap on Pay Someone New. You'll then be asked to choose whether you want to pay a UK account or a company account. Select the correct option based on who you're sending the money to. After that, enter the recipient's sort code, account number, and full name exactly as provided. Accuracy is important here to ensure the money goes to the right account. Once the payee information is entered, tap Continue and enter the amount you want to transfer. You can also choose a scheduled date if you want the transfer to happen on a specific day rather than immediately. Review all the details carefully, including the recipient's information, the transfer amount, and the date. After verifying everything is correct, tap Confirm to proceed. You will then be prompted to enter your password or use your preferred authentication method to authorize the transaction. Once authorized, the transfer will be processed, and you should receive a confirmation that the money has been successfully sent. And that's how to transfer money from Lloyds Bank to another account quickly and securely using the app.